Today we're going to be creating and styling a table in Word. So to do that, you want to make sure you already have your table text and then that there is a tab between each of your columns, the content for each of your columns. Once that is the case, you want to select all of the text that will fill the columns and then go to the Tables tab and select this icon with the plus that says New. Go over the number of columns you're going to have and go down the number of rows you're going to have. And then to format it, style it like the one above, you go to the Table Styles, still in the Tables tab, select a style, and then go over to Borders and select that one that says All, whereas right now it's just on the outside.